Toolman's daily rescue? Watch how this 2-in-1 scraper knife transforms. Spotted a torn wallpaper? No stress. Just cut a matching patch, grab your scraper knife, pop it to first gear for 6mm precision. The sharp edge blade slices clean through wallpaper like butter. Align your patch, press firm, and boom, invisible fix. Need more depth? Click up to gear 2, 17mm blade lock. Watch it devour cardboard. One clean, but wait, this gets smater. Push further past gear 2 and the blade holder pops free. Now flipped for left-handed mastery. Now the ultimate trick. Push to the top, twist blade horizontal, instant scraper mode. Watch it erase cement from glass. Then conquer concrete floors. And check this, fossilized paint surrenders in one clean sweep. Meet your safety net. This built-in anchor point. Clip any lanyard here, lock it tight, and work sky-high with ninja focus. 3-in-1 genius, slice, scrape, glide. Next, stealth mode for delicate work. Switch to gentle mode. Open the blade bay. This flexible hero bends to slide under surfaces. Retract to release mode. Swap blades in 3 seconds flat. Now scrape fear-free with the plastic blade. Stubborn jar labels, clean liftoff, no sticky ghosts. Wax disaster, gone in one smooth swipe. Post-holiday regret, peel it like yesterday's news. And kids' artwork? Our scratch-proof edge laughs at glitter residue. Plastic warrior, slays grease, spares surfaces, kitchen upgraded.